Introduce highlight features or overview summary of KOIOS blender, food processor combo, max 1000 watt. There are features include 4-in-1 versatile kitchen appliances. This all-in-one powerhouse combines a high-performance blender, a practical food processor, a dedicated spice and coffee grinder, all driven by a single 1000-watt motor base. It's like 3 appliances in one, which is a great helper for creating smoothies, simplifying meal prep, and maximizing kitchen efficiency. Powerful 1000-watt blending performance. Equipped with a robust motor and durable stainless steel blades, this smoothie blender effortlessly handles shakes, frozen drinks, salsas, chopping, and grinding, delivering professional results even with tough ingredients. Safe, secure and super easy to use. Safety first, fun always. Designed with a safety lock lid and a manual speed dial, this food chopper and blender ensures safe operation and texture control. It also features overheating protection and a non-slip suction cup base for reliable, stable performance. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. All cups, lids, and blades are detachable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and convenient. Easy peasy cleanup means more time enjoying your delicious creations. Note: use care when handling sharp blades. Large capacity and gift-ready design. This cup of smoothie blender are non-BPA to ensure healthy drinking. This cup set includes a 32 ounces pitcher, 22 ounces BPA-free to-go cups, a 22 ounces chopper bowl, and an 11 ounces grinding cup, ideal for family using or personal blending. With its sleek design and practical functionality, it's a perfect gift for home cooks and health-conscious individuals alike. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.